The power just went out for a split second. We're just not ready for it to be out. It's 4:50 p.m. and the storm is 75 miles away. The eye of the hurricane is 55 miles away. Rain flood started. I'm afraid the water's gonna keep rising and our car's right there. It's too late to move it now. Someone left their trash bin outside. We have wind gusts of over 75 miles per hour. And a few limbs have broken off that tree right there. I don't know if you can see it. Can you hear the wind? It is blowing hard. Let's go check on the kids. See what they're doing inside. And then Reese is watching a show. Ruben's picked out this nice comfy spot.
Yeah.
How do you feel, Ruben?
Good.
Are you scared or you're just hanging out?
Just hanging out.
Yeah?
I don't know when the electricity's gonna come on.
Yeah, luckily we still have electricity and the neighbors 5 miles down don't have electricity. Yeah, their power went out about half an hour ago. Everyone's watching the news. There's my mom. How do you feel about the hurricane? You're okay? You're cold? We've kept the house really cold, so when the light goes out, it's still cold in here. What happened? Let's go check. Maybe it was in the back. Something might have fell in the back, but we can't see it because of the shutters. We've got this wall here that's stopping the wind from hitting us strong. Oh wow, it's getting stronger. It's Monday, September 11th, and I'm coming out for the first time. It feels amazing out here. The sun's out, it's windy, but not too crazy. It's looking good. No trees are down. We brought both cars here to Northport. We didn't want to keep it in the flood zone area. I'm just so grateful because we're just fine. We didn't even lose power last night. Storm moved to the east and the Fort Myers area, Northport area, got rain, got some wind, but it was nothing like expected. Luckily, it seems like when we go back home, everything will be fine. Are you kids ready to go back home?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Can't wait.
You know there's no power at the house. How do you feel about that, Elise?
I think it's gonna be fun.
Elise thinks it's gonna be fun. How about you, Ruben?
Good. I think it's gonna be normal.
Do you think it'll be normal? Or are you
Yeah,
gonna
but
miss?
it's gonna be hard because there's no electricity.
And that means no computer for you, right?
Catch.
I got it. Okay, and I only have 67%. Okay. Okay, that's true. So we have no power at the house. I have to make sure my phone's fully charged. Bye. See you over there. We're getting close to my mom's house, and there's a lot more trees falling down here compared to Northport.
These are, oh my god! These are the Edison homes.
Lights are out too throughout the streetlights. We're not wasting any time. We've got a broken fence. Let's see how the garden held up. Awa! The pool's fine. Oh wow!
And the chickens are alive. And that tree luckily didn't fall down. If that fell down,
Where did the fence go? It's just on the ground?
Yeah. And look, there's a bunch of branches on the floor. Oh, look what happens.
Wow.
What happened?
The garden broke.
Look at the garden. Ah. But let's take a look at the chickens. They're alive, thank goodness. I'm sure you had a scary night last night. We're back home.
Oh my gosh, look at the water.
I'm just petting the chicken.
That one's kind of calm. My family's petting that one.
They're happy to see us.
Yeah.
This tree almost hit the chickens.
Mom, at least I have more shade.
I can't believe it. Look, it fell down right next to it.
It's kind of on it.
It's
Like
on it?
leaning on it.
Let's see.
Hey, chicken.
Let's go see the rest of the fence.
No.
Fence is down. They have so many trees back there. These are the neighbors.
Look, that one's like crooked.
A lot of them are leaning now to the side.
Yeah, and look at the fence.
And their fence in the back is
Look, that one too.
down.
The water still works. There was a little pump outside.
Okay, good. Well,
Locked, they're all
since we have city water, even though the lights are out, the water still is running.
How do we get inside?
Look at how green the pool is.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look what happened. Look,
Yeah.
that was broken.
This Publix is completely flooded. And the lights are out. You have to be really careful. Our house is just fine, no flooding, just that our whole neighborhood is out of power. Dad's taking out the shutters. And we've got a huge tree that's fallen down in the back. This tree almost came right through the screen. It must have been scary being here and hearing the tree fall. Wow, this is really flooded back here. Elaine Reese is so happy to be back home. She's celebrating. So we've been working all day on getting this house how it should be. We unpacked the stuff, but now it's dark and we still don't have any power.
I have a candle here for light.
Yeah.
I went up to get my pillow and it helped a lot. And I brushed my teeth with it by me.
It's really hot in the house. So what we're thinking of doing, where are we sleeping tonight?
In the trunk!
We're gonna sleep in the car. Elaine Reese is getting her bed ready. We're ready to go to bed. Nice and comfy here in the car. How do you feel about sleeping in the car, Elise?
It's a little uncomfortable.
Yeah. And this is our first time sleeping in the trunk. And this is the best way to do it, really, with tons of blankets.
And the baby.
And
Look.
the baby. Ruben, do you prefer sleeping in the house and be hot, or do you prefer being in the car and be cool?
I'd rather be cold than hot because when you're hot, you can't do anything about it. When you're cold, you just get a million blankets and then you're warm.
Yeah.
Nice.
Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.
Bye, Fax family.